Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Red color, orange color, blue color, light green color, purple color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star, pentagon. Now let's draw the shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star, pentagon. Now let's put the color. Red color, heart. Green color, circle. Blue color, triangle. Purple color, square. Orange color, star. Chocolate color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn red color, heart. Green color, circle. Blue color, triangle. Purple color, square. Orange color, star. Chocolate color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.